Hey, I'm back. I've had a lot of people asking me about how I'm making the masks that I'm doing. I've been doing them for our transit agency here because I'm married to one of the drivers. And I have a soft spot for bus operators. So I've been making them like crazy, trying to protect our guys out there who are transporting the people that have to be places. And I've had a lot of people ask me how I'm making them. Seen a lot of patterns on the web, but the one that I found that works the best is taken from an actual surgical mask design. I found a place online that some scientists did a study and they reported on different kinds of fabrics. And short of using a vacuum cleaner bag, which my vacuum doesn't take bags, the best fabric they said for making a homemade mask was a dishcloth. The closest I have to a dishcloth is I have some Snuggle flannels, and it's a good, sturdy, tight woven cotton flannel. So that's what I've been making mine out of. But they do say that any tight woven cotton t-shirt material will work just fine. They're not a guarantee that you won't get the virus, but it cuts the chances by like 60%. So it's a darn sight better than nothing. And when all these shortages are going on, there are a lot of places asking people to make these. So here's the pattern that I came up with. It takes about 3 minutes to make. Once you've done a couple of them, they get real quick. They're easy, they're simple, and they don't take a lot of fabric. And if you want to use this pattern, feel free. All you need to make a mask that fits an average adult is a rectangle of fabric. It needs to be 12.5 inches long, 8.5 inches wide. You're going to take the long edge, you're going to turn over a double edge seam and put a hem on both of the long edges. Once you have your seams in, you're going to lay it flat. I like to iron it real quick. Then you're going to take and you're going to pinch just a finger width right from the bottom seam up about 1 inch. You're just going to pinch that and fold it up. Then you're going to iron it. Then you're going to do the same thing right above that. Put your thumbs right on the edges of those, pinch 1 inch. Showing my age, fold it up, pinch one, and this one should come up right below that top seam. So you've got 3 pleats in it, and I probably shouldn't be ironing on that. You're going to iron those pleats in, and you're going to need them well ironed, because what you're going to do next is you're going to take it over here to the machine. And you're just going to fold up just a finger width of the edge, twice over. Put it in the machine. Bring it up. That creates the casing that you're going to put the tie through. So you want to do that on both ends. Just a finger width and a finger width. Then you're going to clip all these strings. Okay, then you're going to take a 40-inch piece of bias tape. I just happen to have an upholstery needle that I use. It's long, I've had it for years. It comes in really handy. You can also do the same thing with a safety pin, just like you would thread anything through. And you put it through following the first side. So you want it going the same direction as the pleats. So you want to thread it through so this pleats are facing down. And then you go right to the other side, go against the pleats facing up. There you have it. All there is to it. It is that simple and that quick to make. Once you've made these, they're easy to wear. You just put it loop side up, outside towards you. Snug it up to your neck. Put the straps over your ears, tie it behind your head. When you're taking them off, only touch these corners in case you have been around somebody and there's something on it that you don't want to come in contact with. Pull it out, throw it in the wash, hot water and bleach. Good luck, everybody. Stay safe out there.